Welcome back to my channel. So today we're back with another video. I decided, because I had nothing to do, and I was like, oh yeah, a video, of course. I decided to paint my nails. So I don't have much nail polish. I like these two colors. Sorry, my chickens back there are acting crazy. I like these two colors, so I decided that I would wear these two colors. So let's get started. I'm going to start with this one on my nails, and I think I'm going to do a pattern. My pet 2D is looking at me like, what are you doing? 2D, if you can hear me right now, I actually have no idea what I'm doing. But I'm pretty sure I'm painting my nails. So here's my thumb. I just painted it. Now, I'm going to let them dry, and then I'm going to do another layer. I really like painting my nails. It's kind of cool to paint my nails. Sorry, chickens. I have a rooster. It's hard to open this. I might not be able to open. No. Did you guys hear that? I have a rooster, and he's starting to get his sound. But I'm gonna go to my mom. He's back. My phone dropped, and then it turned off, and then I had to go to my mommy that this chicken was being so loud. That chicken is getting loud. Okay, so these are my naughty nail polishes because I don't have any, but I really like them, so I'm gonna use them. This chicken is getting on my last nerves. Chicken, be quiet. See if he gets quiet. Probably tell the other chicken to be quiet too. Okay, so he could rooster. So these are what do that thing. That's the other chicken. Okay, so here's my pink nail and here's my glittery pink nail. So they look so pretty right now. It's hot out here, guys. It's really hot. Okay, so they're having a conversation. I'm just gonna let them have their conversation. This is what the glittery paint's supposed to look like. That chicken. So I'm gonna paint the nails. Like I said, guys, I'm gonna do a zigzag. Well, not really like a zigzag, but like a pattern. And I don't want to get too much of the glittery stuff on this table because it's been through a million things. A lot of things, not just a million, like a lot. Oh, there's a bug. Ah! Ah! Okay. Shoot. Go, get out of my video. Go. Okay. Oh! This bug is scaring me. We're just gonna calm down. I'll let him do his business. He's on the top of the roof now. Oh, that bug's scaring me. Okay. So, let's move on to the light pink. La 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 la. Oh, this is my last pinky. I thought I had like 1,000 fingers. Struggling. Ah. Okay. So here are my nails. They look so pretty. I can't really show you because all the pinks look the same, so all of them look glittery. But it actually looks pretty cute. I like it. I'm gonna fix. Okay, so I think all of them are dry for me to do another layer. So I'm gonna do another layer. Tootie is just walking. He's taking his daily walk. Oh, next fingernail. It took me pretty long to do all of them, so I guess it's time. Smeared it. Dang it. Okay. So this probably video is gonna be like what I do. What I usually do. There's a spider, guys. And there's this fly. The fly. Get out of my video! You're on my nail polish. I'm gonna smack you like you've never been smacked before. This fly is like interested into myself. He's like, ooh, he's getting on my camera. Get off. Get off! What do you want to do? Okay. That wasp is still up here. There. I think he's laying eggs or something. Doing something. Dang it. I think I put too much layers. I didn't. Maybe I just have to coat it up with some glittery stuff. This fingernail has enough layers. Okay, now let's move on to all my glittery ones. I think the pinky's fine. I don't want to layer on my pinky. I just want to do like a few layers on my nails. But the middle one, oh, my middle finger messed up, so I had to do 3 layers. I'm just trying to do 2. Nails, stop it. Oh, I shouldn't do the left hand. Dang it. I'm horrible at doing my left hand. I'm just so horrible. I don't know why, but I'm really horrible. There's a spider staring at me. Okay, so my nails are done. This side is done at least, but I have to do my other side, which is going to be kind of tricky. Where's my mama in? Mama! Can you please come help me do my left hand? Or my right one? Yeah, that's my right hand. Okay. Can you please help me do my right hand? Okay. So she's coming to help me. There we go. It's going to be like this one first, and then this one, that one, and then that one. This one first. But you can do boom. Okay, I'm getting help by my mom. Thanks. My mom is doing good so far. She's lucky because she didn't paint her nails. Look at my right hand. This hand, everybody, I'm going to have to show this hand instead of the other hand because Mommy paints the nails so good. I might not even do a second layer on this one. Okay. Ugh. These flies. Okay, so we're done with both of my hands. I think I'm gonna have to end this video here. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you watch all my other videos, and make sure you ring that bell. Make sure you go check out Straight Out content. Make sure you go check out Donovan's domain. Make sure you go check out. Well, we're going to make a new channel, so make sure to go check that out. Bye-bye. Bye. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.